Another hot topic in crystal therapy. Which are the best crystals for manifesting and how to use them? In this video, I'm going to chat a little bit about manifesting, and I'll give you what I recommend for best crystals for manifesting and tell you how to use them. Hi, this is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic, teaching about crystals in simple terms so you can use their magic to transform your life. If this is the first time on this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get to it. Which crystals are best for manifesting? All of them and none of them. And you must be hitting another video or thinking, gee, thanks for nothing. Well, I have another one. We're always manifesting, whether it's a desired manifestation or not, because that is how we are made. And the reason is manifesting is about intention and alignment. The intention comes from knowing our desire, knowing what we want. If we don't have a fermentation that feels good inside, this is what we need to ask. What is the desired result? What do I want to accomplish here? Can you clearly express your desire without any reservation and with all the emotion you feel? You manifest first with the power of the word. American writer Florence Scovel Shinn said, "Your word is your want." To me, this is the ultimate test. Can you write it down? Things look and feel different when you write it down. That's when the power of the word becomes a contract between you and Source. That was intention. Now let's talk about alignment. You align when that desire is clear and feels good and truthful to you, and you start building an expectation, the allowing to receive. That's when it's done. If you're still with me, now you're asking, okay, what about the crystals? Well, as for the crystals, I'm gonna say my advice is to stick with clear quartz. Here are the reasons why. Number one is about the ability to transmit information and amplify the signal transmitting it. Your desire is that information, that data. Number two, the best crystal for creating coherence is clear quartz. This was extensively researched and tested by Marcel Vogel, an IBM researcher who dedicated many years of his life to study and experiment with quartz crystals and created the Vogel cut crystal. Number three, because of the crystal formations, and quartz has plenty in natural and man-made forms we can use in manifesting. Now that we have clarified the manifesting part, let's get into the crystals. So, which are the forms? The first one I'll recommend is phantom quartz for those who are blocking their manifestation. With phantom quartz, you will see what experiences or practice thoughts are obscuring your energy. Once you get that and get it out of the way, these are the other shapes. Egg-shape and geodes for fertility. These evoke the feel of the fertilized egg and the wound growing it. Number two, clusters for expansion and projection. Because the cluster projects energy in every direction of the points, is a great tool to program each point with a task that is part of a project, and that project is the base. I'll go over this in another video. It's about the magic of clusters. I'll post the link in the description box below and in the end card of this video. Number three, abundance formation, because when using this crystal, let it make the crystal that makes you happy and appreciative of all the forms of abundance you had experienced. Do not use it as a talisman for pulling you out of the feeling of the situation of lack, because as Abraham Hicks says, what we attract is what we give our attention to. Instead, infuse this crystal with the images and emotion of all the things you have received that made you happy, and you will be happier with more. You see, here is the more of what you like. I explained this in another video about crystals for money and prosperity. You will see that at the end card too. Lastly, the ultimate quartz formation for this purpose, the manifestation quartz, is the baby inside the crystal. It's rare, but it does come in natural form. Don't forget to check these 2 videos and hit like and subscribe. Until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic.